What is Covid-19? Covid-19 coronavirus is a virus which causes respiratory illness. The virus is mainly transmitted through infected person by their coughs, sneezes and exhales. What are symptoms of Covid-19? Dry cough, fever, tiredness, difficulties in breathing. What is treatment of Covid-19? Till now, there is no specific vaccines or medicines for Covid-19. Treatments are under investigation. However, people are recovering through self-isolation. If you have the symptoms, self-isolate yourself and contact your health provider immediately. What are precautions we all need to take? Wear a face cover. Wear N95 masks. You should wear mask when physical distancing is not possible. N95 masks filter the air you breathe in. Wash your hands frequently. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Washing your hands will maintain hygiene. Here is the proper way to wash your hands, given by World Health Organization.
Wet hands with water. Apply enough soap to cover all hand surfaces. Rub hands palm to palm. Right palm over left dorsum with interlaced fingers and vice versa. Palm to palm with fingers interlaced. Backs of finger to opposing palms with fingers interlocked. Rotational rubbing of left thumb clasped in right palm and vice versa. Rotational rubbing backward and forward with clasped fingers of right hand in left palm and vice versa. Rinse hands with water. Dry thoroughly with a single-use towel. Use towel to turn off faucet. And your hands are safe.
Keep a safe distance. Maintain distance of 1 meter between people, especially from who is coughing or sneezing. Avoid handshakes. Avoid touching face. Cover your nose while sneezing or coughing. Use tissue papers or use elbow if tissue paper is not available. Share this video as much as you can so everybody can get aware. Information provided by World Health Organization. Presented to you by choithram International as a part of CAS activity. Group members Atharva Jaiswal, Dewansh Singh and Harshwardhan Jain. Animation and editing by Atharva Jaiswal. Voice over by Harshwardhan Jain. Stock provider Dewansh Singh.